Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to get to Excel Center in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all, basically what you're gonna have to do, you need to go into this view tab here. Like if you are into this home tab or insert tab, just go into this view tab here, and then here in the first option you can see workbook views. Okay, so you need to just click on this page layout option, and this will basically gives you the view of your worksheet as a separate page here. Okay, so how you can get to the center of the first page here, you can scroll down and here you can see that we have 47 rows in our first page. So you can basically get the half of 47 here basically, so it may be like 20 and then 7, so maybe it's like 23 or 24. Okay, you can just do this. So this is the center of your first page in the Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, so that's how you can basically get to the center of Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.